One of the key components of this lesson is having students analyze and interpret data, one of the science and engineering practices. So what I had them do is I had them graph the trends according to the first 18 elements. Um, this one happens to be ability of an atom to attract valence electrons or electronegativity. I instructed students to put the 18 elements on the x-axis, the independent variable. I had them take the number of spaces divided by the number of elements and round up. Well, in this case, it ended up being 2 even. So uh, I went to the y-axis and I told them to take the difference between the high and the low and divide by the number of spaces. And then make a line graph and plot each point. And what I found out is that many students struggle with graphing even with an explanation. Um, they should be at the high school level, and I found that my students were at probably the 6th grade level according to the NGS Science and Engineering Practices. So what I would suggest, or what I would do in the future, is really emphasize that students know how to graph and they have an accurate graph. I did walk around, but even with giving individual help, there were still many students that had bar graphs or didn't plot them on the right axis. And when it comes to sharing data with other students and trying to analyze and interpret it, it's crucial that they all are on the same page. So what I ended up having to do was show this graph and the two other ones to students, have them take pictures. That way, when they were trying to do the final assessment for trends, they were able to have correct information.